My country pipu, na welcome back to my channel today. Tasha don come out come drag Nigerians after wetin dey do her of recent, and also Princess of Big Brother Naija All-Star season, she don come out come explain how dey take thief her Range Rover. So for some time now, Princess we never hear from her, e just be as if she ghost us for social media. So she come back come tell us wetin sup with her wey make her comot for social media for a very long time and nobody hear from her. So according to her, she say dey thief her Range Rover. How the thing take happen be say for Abuja she go restaurant to go eat. So as she dey eat, she come drop her car key for on top of the table. So when she come chop finish, she come dey find the key. She come check inside her bag, she no see am. She come dey ask people say, see o, see wetin dey sup, say she no see her car key. She come tell the I come dey ask the waitress and the waiters for there say whether they see anything like that, and the manager for the restaurant they say they no see. Only for her to ask them say make they help her look after the car, say she go house, say tomorrow she go bring tow vehicle wey be say go come help her tow the motor from there because it was already late. So only for her to go the next day, she no see motor. She come dey ask them say abeg, the motor wey be say I park for here, I tell una say make una help me check am, where the motor dey. Tell am say dem no know, say dem feel say she sef na don carry her motor go, maybe she don see the key, she come carry her motor go. So na so she come involve police, come dey tell police to say see wetin dey sup, all those type of things. So police na dey come dey track the motor, all those type of things. So one person like that, the person wey be say dey carry the motor go give make the person buy the motor, na the person na come reveal the thing to say see o, e get one Range Rover, the thing be like the one wey be say una dey find, say whether make e go ahead go buy am or make she come check whether na her own. Na so she come reach there, come see say na her Range Rover. To the ex ten t say dem don almost dey dismember the whole motor. So she come arrest the people, come turn out say na the waiter wey at ten d to her for the restaurant na im thief the car key. If you dey watch this video and you never subscribe, please help me subscribe, help me like this video, share am and drop your comment for the comment section below. Una thank you. Make una just lis ten to wetin she talk for una sef.
They took my car key. He took my car key. He called his friend. He diverted the attention of the security, and then they drove off with the car. That was how the heist went down. A member of staff of Shogun Restaurant, Sinclair Guest House. Now, for the same people that looked at me and said, yes, Princess, we know that you're a public figure, but these people here don't steal. I mean, look at them. These are young people. We're one family here. Somebody took my car keys. Mishak is a guy that sells spare parts at a pole. On that day, he had called me and I told him, oh, I'm not even in a good mood. My car was stolen. And he felt so touched. And he quickly put out word. I mean, this is a luxury car. It's not a car that comes around all the time. He quickly told boys on the street, all hands on deck. Everybody was trying to see. I mean, I contacted different kind of security agencies, you name it. On that fateful Monday morning, while I was at the Force Intelligence Bureau, about to put down another statement for better investigation, I remember his people asked me, if like say they don't see your car. I said, Mishak, oh yeah. He said, some boys called me now. I said, Mishak, where? How? Where? Mishak, go now. He said, wait, I'm waiting for confirmation. I want to buy. I said, Mishak, can you just go? Why are you betting? Same day, in the afternoon, he sent me pictures. Is this your car? My car was found at Kabusa Panteka village. My car was about to be what? Butchered, vandalized. Ran there with members of the police. The boys were apprehended. Oh my God, I'm going to cry. I swear, I'm going to cry because when they told me that car was found, I couldn't believe it because Everybody, like everyone that I told my car got stolen, almost made it look like I had done something wrong. When the car was found with a buyer, guys, forgive me. The buyer was picked, of course, by the police. My case then got transferred to the IRT, and of course now there's an ultimate suspect, and those guys went into swift action. Shout out to ASP Bello. I don't know if I'm getting their ranks right, guys, but Officer Bello of the IRT, Officer Onoja, and his boys, Officer David, he did so much. They swung into action. I had some level of closure, knowing that I wasn't just some careless brats that just misplaced, her car. It was a little bit consoling to know that my car key was actually taken from the table in the promise. I know that when I went to see these boys at the station, do you know what he said? I said, so why did you take the key? He said, oh, he wanted to bring out the key, but when he saw the way I was reacting, he didn't now know what to do. He just kept it. Then on my second visit, they're like, oh, princess, sorry, you didn't deserve what happened to you, but you know that this country is hard. Like, I need you to see how the common man thinks. So the country is hard. The way to reduce the hardship is by stealing my car. The car was found. The boys confessed to taking it. The officers did their best. The car was vandalized.
I don't hear wetin princess talk. Now imagine a waiter, the excuse wey the waiter dey give be say life dey hard for am. Who life no dey hard for this country? Or do you think the people that have money, do you think they are comfortable? They are that comfortable? So I not see a reason why this person go thief, go dey give excuse. Own up to wetin you do. At the end of the day, collecting person thing just because you dey hungry or because you no get enough is not the right way to go about life. Continue to dey struggle, one day your hustle go pay. So unto Tasha matter, Tasha come out come dey lament talk say Nigerians na she we hate pass for this country. So make una just lis ten to wetin Tasha talk for una sef.
I'm Nigeria's most hated girl. Of course, Nigerians hate me for just breathing. I'm Nigeria's most hated girl. Of course, Nigerians hate the fact that I'm outspoken, smart, and can never be brought down, even in their dreams. I'm Nigeria's most hated girl. Of course, the hate has only brought me wins. Why they keep crying? It's a range, baby. I'm Nigeria's most hated girl. Even in disguise, I'm known in the bank, in your streets, and in your brains. Oh my God, is that the I'm Nigeria's most hated girl. Of course, Nigerian men and women still post my old videos. Like it's a discovery. When your mates they discover cure for cancer, are you a serious person? Kwasia. I'm Nigeria's most hated girl. Of course, disqualification could not define me. If God qualifies you, who is that motherfucking person? Who can disqualify you? The fuck? I'm Nigeria's most hated girl. Of course, before they were, Tacha was. Who they?
So as she make dis statement finish, some pipo come out come react over di statement. The truth be say hate na a very strong word, because I no see reason why Tasha go just come out say all of us for Nigeria hate am. You no fit just come say Nigerians hate you. You no dey dat special to us. Everybody get problem for dis country wey be say dem dey face. Well, to the ex ten t say person go come dey reason Tasha matter say e wan hate Tasha. So make we just see some comment under dis her post. So the first person come say most hated girl, as if you matter. How are you imparting life's positivity inside this country? Help me ask am. Another one come say nobody hates you, we just dey advise you to quit talking nonsense and use deodorant. This una deodorant wey everybody wey dey always talk say Tasha dey smell, una don near the girl before to know whether she really get body odor, na because of wetin Mercy Eke use take yab her for inside the house. Let Nigerians just use take dey yab her till today. So the other person can say nobody hates you, but you no dey overrate yourself. Well, Tasha suppose use the word dislike, because I believe to say na her character people dislike, not be say they hate her as a human being. Main problem wey Tasha get is shooking her mouth wey be say dem no call her. That's why people dislike her. Apart from that, I not really see anything wey be say the girl dey do for anybody to hate her. But you see that shooking her mouth for where dem no call her is a very dangerous game that she dey play. Una take care, una bye.